And true to my word, I did say I would upload a video on this channel every day. And true to my word, I have. Let me just connect to the internet on my Macintosh computer. Well, I don't know if I should run through it. But if you watch my daily vlogs and this vlog, today's lazy vlog is going to be the total. You've already heard it. I'm just going to run through what I'm doing today. Because I'm a lazy man. Okay. Right then, basically what I've been doing, yeah? I've been filming a video on this from my main channel, Kid Cool That. It's the vlog channel, but I'm going to upload some skits now and then, you know what I'm saying, I've been filming the vlog, I've been playing on the iPad, I've also been doing some Total Miner. Baddest game ever. Only 240 Microsoft points on the Xbox Marketplace. Boom, you got to download, it's a must download. I'm never going to lie to you again. But, oh man, I've got too many assignments, man. This is like my little planner of how many assignments I've got to do, yeah. Well, it's like my day-to-day diary. Oh, you probably just saw my address there. Oh, are you going to come and send me presents? My lips are dry, man. Shit. I did not swear, okay? Then I've got to go finish all my assignments off. Hey, I've got a chat line for myself. Kieran, are you a lips designer? No, why? Because they're super dry. Never use that one on a girl, lads. Just trust me. Trust me, okay? Trust me. I've dehyped myself. Oh! By the way, these chocolates, yeah? What are they? Hobnobs Medleys? I don't know how to pronounce them. Raisins and milk chocolate. Oh, the best ones ever. Now, I'm just going to look at this video, yeah, because I didn't post this. It automatically posted on Twitter and that. And I know I haven't got a lot of Twitter followers. But in, I don't know, it's been about 7 hours now. That's the video. It's got over 45 views. Buzzing. You know, that's good. Because, like, I haven't actually posted any videos on this channel. And I don't really tweet on my Twitter channel anymore, but I do now. So if you're not following me on Twitter, it's @KidCoolThere. Also at facebook.com/KidCoolThere. I'll post up there regularly. Because I like Facebook and Twitter. And I can follow people. Yeah. So what would you want to see in my vlogs? This is the question of the day. I'm going to try and do this every day on this channel. The question of the day is, what would you like to see in my daily vlogs? Well, every other day vlogs. Leave your comments in the leave your comments and answers below. Also, you're not going to, but I would like you to have a look at my Twitter and Facebook, all in the description below. And don't forget to check out the new channel, the 2 channels that besides this one. You've got the Daily Vlogs channel and the Dancing channel. That is not very big at the moment, but I'm hoping to get it bigger. So, subscribe please for more videos like this and more transactions. Boom! Whiteness. Tobuscus. Alright then. Please subscribe, like, comment, favourite. You know the drill. Been doing it a long time now. Gotta love you.